Thank you for buying an AKO Leak Detector. Your box should look just like this. This is a recent version that came out with an enhanced mobile near-band internet, so it picks up cell service. Out of the box, this is exactly what it looked like. So we have the detector. We have a couple of couplings to go through the bottom of the housing because that's where you're going to hook up your wires. We have this little wire right here. This is your antenna. It's got a little sticky tape on the back. It comes out of the box, looks just like this. You see an image above my head. The numbers right here will show up in this screen right here. This is the orientation because the antenna goes on the top. I'm going to show you when we open it up. You'll see that it's held together just like that. What you're going to basically see is on the inside here, a power block. You're going to hook your black and white wires into that when you're running power to it. If you're wondering what the rest of this is, there's this little thing right here. This is actually the detector. On the front of the box, this is the input for the detector. So that's where the sensing is taking place. This is the heart. This is the brains. You'll see that there are two wires, black and white, listed inside there. This is actually the communication piece. This is the brain. This is the hardware side. This is the sensor side. So where do we go from here? The first thing we're going to do is we're going to get power to our box. Look on the bottom here. There's a couple of knockouts. You're going to drill a hole in. You're going to use these to run the power through. When I'm working with the AKO guys, they tend to use the left side here to run the power through. They run the wires across the inside and then up into the connector box right here. Once you've done that and you've got power, these pop off and you've got two screws, one here and one here. Those are going to mount it to the wall. You're better off mounting it to a wall than you are the rack. The reason for that is the vibration will deteriorate the integrity of the detector over time. That does it for everything. Screw it to the wall, put your power in, run it to here, close it back up, put your connectors back on, take this, we're going to connect it into here, run this to the highest point you feel comfortable running it to. If you're in a walk-in, I always say drill a hole and drop it through and then just silicone that hole up. Stick this somewhere up on top as far away as possible because you get better transmission over time. Even if you're in a really bad transmission area, you'll still be fine because we pick up the signal as soon as it's available. And the way that the cell towers work is they pulse that power periodically, so we won't lose sight of the communication. This is the unboxing. Sensor, display here, just like it's showing up there. Not much more to this. Antenna, wire, two screws in here, and you're live. If you're wondering what I use, you can hook this right up into the panel. Not a lot of people are doing that though these days. I just buy these and I'm happy to send them to you. This is a really simple low voltage lighting connector. And this, of course, red and black. They just get right into there. Piece of cake. These are about $40. All right, hope that helps. Thanks again for using AKO.